Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of Email Pro, an application by Pickups. In this short video, we're going to learn how to create beautiful and professional emails in just 3 easy steps. Once you downloaded the app on your desired board, you will see a board view that has been added with Email Pro. The first step we want to do is to create a template. In my example, I want to create a welcome email to everyone that visits my store. Now I'm going to start typing the content. Don't forget that we can use columns from our board in order to populate them in the email. In my example, I'm going to take Dear First Name. So now every time I send the email, it's going to take the first name from my board. Let's take a look at the other functionalities that we can have on Email Pro. So of course, we can have the rich text option like changing the font, centralizing, right to left, making the font bigger, smaller, bold, etc. Another thing we can do is hyperlink. We can of course hyperlink it into a specific link like that. Or if you want to use a link column that exists on your board, we can take the column name and put it in here. Now, this option is going to give us the entire link, but we want to hyperlink inside the sentence. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the column name and we're going to hyperlink this. And now instead of the actual link, I'm going to paste here the column name. Now every time they will be sent hyperlinked with the specific link on your item. What else can we do? We can upload an image, and once we upload the image, we can also hyperlink it. So whenever someone clicks on the image, it will take them to the desired link. And of course, we can add attachments. Okay, I think our email is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Once you created your email template, you now need to connect your email account. Click on this tab of email accounts and click on Connect Account. You can connect your Gmail, Outlook, or your desired provider using SMTP. Now that your email is connected, let's move on to the final step of actually sending the emails. Sending the emails can be done A, via automations, or B, manually for each contact. Let's start with sending emails via automations. In order to add automations, we're going to click on the Integrate, and we're going to search for Email Pro. We're going to open the recipes and we're going to select the desired recipe. You have the option to send an email once status changes, while also adding CC and BCC. And you have the ability to also send an email when the column changes. In our case, let's go ahead and select this recipe. When status changes to something, send email using this template. Put the email in this column while using this email account. Now remember, you might have a few emails accounts that you can send from. So if you have the permissions, you can set up this recipe to be sent out of someone else's email. So now let's set up the recipe. When status type changes to customer, send email using this template that we just created, the welcome email, to the email in my email column. And I want to use my account, which is the Gmail account of Danny. Great, I created automation, and now let's see how it works. I'm going to change a few contacts and change them from lead into customer, which means that now these 4 customers are going to receive my email. How do we know that the emails were actually sent? In each item that we sent an email, you will see the update. So you can always click on the update in order to see email exactly. Now, let's talk about how do we send emails not using automations, but actually manually. So let's say that I want to send an email to Noah. I'm going to open up this item and I'm going to go to the item view of Email Pro that was added once I downloaded the app. First of all, I can see all the recent emails that I sent them. And while clicking on Send Email, I can actually send an ad hoc email from here. All the functionalities that we have in the email templates are also available. And of course, you can also CC, BCC, attach files, and more. And remember to select the account this email will be sent from. And once you send the email, it will go into the update so you can track it. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and the Pickups team would love to help you.